Why Badass? Badass Motor Gear has been in business since 2014 and is run by people who are passionate about motorsports, especially motorcycles. We live, breathe, and dream motorsports all the time and develop products that make our passion easier, more practical, and even more fun. Hi, I'm Danielle. If you ride your Jeep Wrangler with the top off, you already know hot, sunny days can be brutal. At Badass Motor Gear, we're passionate about making Jeeps even more fun, so we came up with our great-looking, easy-to-use Jeep Sunshades to solve that problem. These protective mesh shades will look awesome on your Wrangler, and they conveniently let you, the kids, your passengers, and even pets enjoy the open-air convertible feeling Jeep people love, only in a much more comfortable way. The mesh material lets you see through it, so you won't feel like you're covering your Jeep, but the harshness of the direct sun gets filtered out and it helps you stay much cooler, reduces some of the harmful UV exposure, and even cuts down on wind noise and turbulence while driving for a quieter, more pleasant experience. Since a simple solution is often the best one, you'll appreciate how our sunshades install quickly and easily with no tools needed, using bungees that wrap around several points on your Jeep's roll cage. Unlike most bikini tops, it never has to be removed either. That's right, you won't have to uninstall it when you want to use your factory top. You can get our Wrangler sunshades in a variety of sizes for either front only or full-length shade. We made sure the full-length version fits over the top of your second bar, so you'll still have maximum headroom. And as a bonus, the shade comes in this cool, waterproof storage bag that you can also use to stash some of those small, loose items that tend to float around in the Jeep. Go ahead and get yours today. You'll be so glad that you did, and you might just have the most fun you've ever had in your Jeep.